I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
You start by preparing MT5. Log into the real or demo account and open MarketWatch. Once done, search and add the Volatility Index symbol. If not visible, enable symbols and request the broker feed. Now open a 1-minute chart for the volatility pair and apply a simple moving average 20 to visualize trend. Make sure to save the template. This gives you the single consistent view you will use for every trade. You now configure the only way system. Add ATR 14 and set a 1.5 multiplier to estimate expected move, then add RSI 14 for momentum confirmation. Once the MA 20 shows trend, use ATR bands as dynamic exits and set RSI thresholds at 30 and 70. Next, create a custom alert on price crossing MA and ATR band breaches. This automates entry prompts. Save the template so every chart reload preserves identical indicator values. You execute only when MA cross aligns with ATR expansion and RSI confirms momentum. Place market entries or limit orders accordingly. Set stop loss at ATR 1.5 and aim for 1 to 2 times ATR as the initial target, then trail using ATR bands. Once a trade is active, monitor latency and price feed. If the chart freezes or values look wrong, immediately refresh symbols, reopen the chart, or
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.